Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So let's discuss homework answers first. For exercise 14C. In that first question, subtract the following. D. 7 minus 3. The answer is 4. In that I. 3 minus 2. The answer is 5. J. Minus 14 minus 10. The answer is minus 24. K. 16 minus 1. It is 17. Next L. Minus 12 minus 2. The answer is minus 10. Okay, now second question, simplify. In that E. 4 minus 5 plus 2 minus 2. The answer will be 3. Okay, final answer it is 3. Next F. 2 minus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Final answer it will be 4. Next H. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus 9 minus 1 plus 6. The answer is 1. Okay. Next I. Minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 9 plus 1 minus 6. The answer is 2. Okay. Next third question, fill in the blanks by less than, greater than or equal to. In that D. 9 minus 2. Now minus 7 plus minus 6. It will be greater than sign. Okay. Next E. 10 minus 10 plus minus 4. Here also greater than sign. Next chapter 16, measurement. Okay. So standard unit for measuring length, mass and capacity. So let us take one by one. Length. The standard unit is meter. Okay, the standard unit of length, it is meter. Now mass, the standard unit is gram. Then capacity or volume, the standard unit is liter. Okay, so you must know this. The standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of mass is gram. Standard unit of capacity or volume is liter. Okay, now certain prefixes we will use to indicate smaller and bigger units. Okay, we will use certain prefixes to indicate smaller and bigger units. So the prefixes used are kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. Okay, and their meaning you can see. Kilo means 1000, hecto means 100, deca means 10. Deci means 1 by 10, centi means 1 by 100 and milli means 1 by 1000. Okay, now here one table is given and how prefix is used. Prefix, its meaning, its abbreviation, how we will write in short form, how we will write this prefix. Now in fraction, how can you write this prefix? Okay, that is given here. Now first milli. Milli, this means it is 1000th. Milli means 1000th and we will express or denote milli as small letter m. Okay, small letter m means it is milli. Now fraction. In fraction, how will you write milli? It is 1 by 1000. That means 1000th. Okay, th is there. Now centi means it is 100th. In its abbreviation it is C, small letter C. In fraction, how will you write that? 1 by 100. Okay, now deci, it means 10th. Abbreviation, it is small letter D. And fraction, how will you write a deci? 1 by 10. Okay, next deca. Deca, its meaning is 10. Okay, its abbreviation it is small letter DA. Okay, now in case of deca, hecto and kilo, it is multiple, not fraction. Okay, so 10, its meaning is 10. So its multiple, you can write this 10 in number form. Okay, so deca, its meaning is 10, abbreviation it is DA, multiple it is 10. Okay, next prefix hecto. Hecto means 100. Its abbreviation is small letter H. multiple it is 100. Okay. Next kilo, meaning it is 1000. Abbreviation it is small letter k, multiple it is 1000. Now in this table you can see units of length, units of mass and units of capacity. Okay, so let's see. Units of length, millimeter. How we will write millimeter? mm, small letter mm. This is millimeter. Now millimeter is 1 by 1000 of a meter. That means if 1 meter is divided into 1000 equal parts, among that 1000 equal parts, one part is called, each part is called a millimeter. Okay, ഒരു മീറ്ററിനെ 1000 ഈക്വൽ പാർട്സ് ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ഓരോ പാർട്ടിനും നമ്മൾ പറയാം മില്ലിമീറ്റർ എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ 1 millimeter is 1 by 1000 of a meter. Similarly, 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of a meter. Okay, decimeter is 1 by 10 of a meter. A meter, that is standard unit of length. Okay, next decameter, it is 10 meters. Here from here 10 meters. 10 meters will make decameter, 1 decameter. Okay, similarly 100 meters will make 1 hectometer. 1000 meters will make 1 kilometer. Okay. Next, units of mass. Milligram. Milligram, it is 1 by 1000 of a gram. If 1 gram is divided into 1000 equal parts, each part is called a milligram. Okay. So 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 of a gram. Centigram. It is 1 by 100 of a gram. If 1 gram is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centigram. Next, decigram, it is 1 by 10 of a gram. That is, if 1 gram is divided into 10 equal parts, each part is called a decigram. Then a gram, that is the standard unit. Then decagram, it is 10 grams. 10 grams will make a decagram. Okay, 100 grams will make a hectogram. Then 1000 grams will make a kilogram. Okay. Next, units of capacity. Millimeter, it is 1 by 1000 of a liter. As we told in length and mass, if a liter is divided into 1000 equal parts, each part is called a milliliter. Okay. Centiliter, it is 1 by 100 of a liter. That is, if 1 liter is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centiliter. Next, deciliter. If 1 liter is divided into 10 equal parts, each liter is called a deciliter. Okay. Next, a liter, that is the standard unit. Now, decaliter means it is 10 liters. 10 liters will make decaliter. Okay. 100 liters will make hectoliter. Then 1000 liters will make kiloliter. Okay. So, you just understand this table. Topic, measurement of length. So here relation between two units it is given here. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 decameter it is 10 meter. Then 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So you should by heart this. Okay. In order to study this, there is a simple method. I will tell you. Now in this table, units of length. You can see kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. These units are arranged in their descending order. That is, from the largest unit to its smallest unit we are writing. Okay. Kilometer is the largest unit of length and millimeter is the smallest unit of length. Okay. It is kilometer. So from left, from kilometer you are moving to meter. How? Just see this. This is 10. Okay. From kilometer you are moving to meter. So this is 10. Again this is 10. This is also 10. Now you reach at a meter. Now multiply these 3 tens. 10 into 10 into 10 you will get 1000. So we can say 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, in this way we can find all relationships. This is 1 kilometer and meter. Its relation 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Now let's see 1 hectometer and meter. Okay, hectometer and meter. So here you should start with the hectometer. Kilometer is not needed. Okay, so from here you are starting. This is 10. 1 10. Now another 10 you can see. So 1 hectometer equal to 10 into 10, that is 100 meter. Okay, so 2 relations you got now. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. Next let us see decameter and meter. What is the relation? So you can start with the decameter. Okay, so here decameter to meter only 1 10 is coming. So 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. Okay, this is the step. Now from meter, if you are moving, I mean if you are finding the relation between meter and a decimeter, so from meter you can start. Listen, always start from left side. Okay, what unit is coming in left, from that you have to start. So meter and decimeter you are looking. So from meter to decimeter 110. Okay, so how can you write 1 meter? 1 meter starting from left. 1 meter is how many decameter? I mean decimeter, 10 decimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. Okay, only 110 you can. One move only. Okay, so 1 meter is 10 decimeter. Now if you are finding the relation between meter and centimeter. So here this is 110. This is second time 10. So 1 meter is 10 into 10. 1 meter equal to 10 into 10, 100 centimeter. Okay, now if you are finding the relation between meter and a millimeter, so how you will get? This is 110, this is second one, this is third one. So 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. So how we can write 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, in this way we can find the measurement of, we can find the relation between units in measurement of mass or weight, measurement of capacity or volume. Okay, the same method. First kilo, then hecto, then deca, then standard unit, then deci, centi, milli. In this way you have to arrange the unit. Hope you understood. Left and right like move ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 10 വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ കിലോമീറ്റർ മീറ്റർ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കിലോമീറ്റർ ടു ഹെക്ടോമീറ്റർ ഒരു 10, ഹെക്ടോമീറ്റർ ടു ഡെക്കാമീറ്റർ ഒരു 10, ദെൻ അഗെയിൻ മീറ്ററിലേക്ക് ഒരു 10. അപ്പോൾ 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 മീറ്റർ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, 1 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1000 മീറ്റർ. ഇനി ഹെക്ടോമീറ്റർ മീറ്റർ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഹെക്ടോമീറ്ററിന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഹെക്ടോമീറ്ററിന് ഡെക്കാമീറ്റർക്ക്, ഡെക്കാമീറ്ററിന് മീറ്റർക്ക്. So 10 into 10, 100 meter you will get. Okay, 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is 10 meter. Then 1 meter is 10 decimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. എത്ര തവണ ഇങ്ങനെ മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് നോക്കാം. Okay, that many times you have to multiply with the 10. Okay, 1 meter is 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 millimeter. Left and the right ലേക്ക് വേണം മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ. That you always remember. Okay. Next, measurement of mass or weight. As we used a table for measurement of length, you can use that for measurement of mass and weight also. Okay, so arranging that units, you will get a kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Now relations you can find. 1 kilogram is how many grams? 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 gram. Okay, so 1 kilogram it is 1000 gram, 1 gram it is 1000 milligram. 1 kilogram it is 1000 gram, 1 hectogram equal to 100 gram, 1 decagram equal to 10 gram, 1 gram equal to 10 decigram, 1 gram equal to 100 centigram, 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Okay, so you should know this. Next, measurement of capacity or volume. Its standard unit is liter, that you know. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, 1 decaliter equal to 10 liter, 1 hectoliter equal to 100 liter, 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter, then 1 liter equal to 10 deciliter, 1 liter equal to 100 centiliter, 1 liter equal to 100 millimeter. Okay, here also you can use this table. This is its a unit starting from kiloliter to milliliter. Okay, as we go from left to right, as we move from left, multiply by 10. Okay, so write measurement of length, these relations, and then measurement of mass, these things, then measurement of capacity or volume you have to write in your notebook. Okay, now exercise 16a. First question, express in meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so here in meter, the question is given in meter, you have to write that in meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now A, 8.425 meter. So you have to express in meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now here, before decimal point what number is coming, that will be meter, that much meter will be there. Okay, so here before decimal point 8 is coming, so 8 meter will be there. Okay, 8 meter, you can write like this. Now after decimal point, the first digit, that will be decimeter. Okay, so 4 decimeter. Next, in the hundredths place, this is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000th. So 100th place it is centimeter, 2 centimeter. Then 1000th place it is millimeter, so 5 millimeter. Okay, 8.425 meter. If we express in meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, it is 8 meter, 4 decimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay, let us take B, 7.75 meter. So here before decimal point 7, so 7 meter. After decimal point, this is 10th place, so this 7 decimeter we can write. Okay, 10th place it is decimeter, 100th place it is centimeter, so 5 centimeter. Okay, millimeter it is not given, the digit is not given, so this much only, 7 meter, 7 decimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, next is C, 27.078 meter. So before decimal point 27 is coming, so 27 meter. Okay, it is 27 meter. You have to write before decimal point what number is coming, that much meter will be there. Okay, so 27 meter. Now 10th place it is 0, that is 0 decimeter, that no need to write. Okay, next 100th place it is 7, so 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 it is in 100th place, 100th place is centimeter, so 7 centimeter. Now in the 1000th place 8 is coming, so it is 8 millimeter. Okay, next E, 0.6 meter. So here before decimal point 0 is coming. Okay, so 0 meter it is, no need to write that. Now after decimal point in the 10th place it is 6, so 10th place it is decimeter, so you can write 6 decimeter. Okay, in 100th place thousandth place it is not given, so that is 0. Okay, so 6 decimeter, this is the answer. Okay, similarly F 0.009 meter. So in the meter it is 0. Meter decimal, what number is coming before decimal point? That is meter. So here it is 0. So 0 meter, 0 decimeter, 0 centimeter. But in the millimeter or in hundredth place it is 9. So 9 millimeter. Okay, ഇവിടെ decimal point മുമ്പേ 0 ആണ് വരുന്നത്. So this part is meter. Okay, so 0 meter. Then after decimal point 10th place is 0, 100th place 0. This is decimeter, this is centimeter. So that is also 0. Okay, now millimeter. In millimeter it is 9. 9 is coming in 100th place. So 9 millimeter. You can write this answer as 9 millimeter. Okay. Second question, using decimal notation express in meters. So first question, meter, in meter it is given, you have to express in meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So this is opposite. Using decimal notation you have to express. In millimeter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, the question is given, you have to express in meters. Okay. So you know before decimal point it will be meter. So 8 point. Okay. Now 10th place it is decimeter. So 6 decimeter here. So 10th place it is 6. Now 100th place it will be centimeter. So 5 centimeter. So 5 in 100th place. 1000th place is millimeter. 2 millimeter is given here. So in 1000th place it will be 2. 8.652 meter. Okay, in decimal notation 8 meter, 6 decimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 millimeter is 8.652 meter. Next B, 10 meter, 8 decimeter, 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter. So it will be 10 meter. Meter will come before decimal point. So 10 point. Now 8 decimeter. So 8 will come in 10th place. 6 centimeter. So 6 will come in 100th place. 5 millimeter. So 5 will come in 1000th place. So 10.865 meter. This is the answer. Next, in that D, 1 meter, 3 decimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay. Now here 1 meter is given. So before decimal point 1 will come. Okay, 1 meter before decimal point you have to write. So 1 point. Now decimeter, 3 decimeter is given. So in the 10th place it will be 3. Now 7 centimeter is given. So in the 100th place it will be 7. 1.37 meter. Okay, this will be the answer. Next E, 7 decimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 millimeter. Here meter, it is not given. So what you can write? In the meters place you can put 0. 0 point. Okay, meter will come before decimal point. Here meter is not given. So in meters place you can put 0. You can write 0. Okay, 0 point. Now next decimeters place. So 7 decimeter. So in 10th place you can write 7. Next 4 centimeter. So in 100th place you can write 4. 3 millimeter. So in 1000th place you can write 3. 0.743 meter. This is the answer. Okay. Next F, 8 centimeter. So in centimeters part is only given here. Okay. So meters part it will be 0. Decimeters part again it will be 0. Centimeter it is given 8. So 0.08 meter. Okay, after this no need to put 0. Millimeters part no need to put 0. Okay, 0.08 meter. Okay, next G, 9 millimeter. So meter, decimeter, centimeter, nothing is given here. So what you can write? In meters part it is 0. Decimeter, again it will be 0. Centimeter is also 0. Millimeter, 9 millimeter it is given. So in millimeters part you can write 9. Okay, so 0.009 meter. Okay, now 4 meter, H, 4 meter, 5 millimeter. So here meter it is given 4 meter. So 4 point. Now centimeter, sorry, decimeter, no, it is not given. So put 0. Next, centimeter is also not given. So put 0. Millimeter, 5 millimeter is given. So in millimeters part or in thousandth place you can write 5. 4.005 meter. This is the answer.